In many areas of the world, people rely on dams for their water and electricity supplies. A dam is a barrier that holds back water. The dam itself and the surrounding hills from a bowl in which water collects from an artificial lake called a reservoir. Most dams are built across the river valley to catch the river's flow, but some dams create receivers into which water is pumped for storage. How strong a dam needs to be depends on the depth of water in the reservoir. Most dams are enrams. The Grand Collar Dam in the USA weighs nearly 10 million tons. There are three main types of dam: arch dams, gravity dams, and buttress dam. The type of dam that engineers decide to build depends on the geography of the location. Factors affecting the decision include the width and depth of river valley and the type of rock around the side. A buttress dam is a huge concrete wall that leans into a reservoir of water. The wall is made up for concrete slabs that are supported on the downstream side of the dam by concrete projection known as a buttress. An arch dam is built across the entrance to a narrow valley so that the height of the dam is greater than its width. The dam's curved shape holds back water because it transfers the push of the water to the rock at the valley sides. A gravity dam is a huge embankment of earth or rock. Leakage is prevented by the waterproof lacquer or a concrete skin on the upstream side of the dam. The dam's immense weight prevents the water from pushing it over. This model shows an arch dam that creates a reservoir for supplying water and electricity to nearby towns and cities. The dam is made for thin concrete strengthened by thousands of steel bars. Water flowing through pipes into the dam drives electricity generators in the hydroelectric power station at the foot of the dam. On large rivers, dams help prevent flooding by holding back surges of flood water and releasing them downstream slowly. A flood barrier is a movable dam built across the Treasure River. The barrier has gates that are usually open to allow the river to flow free, but which can be closed when dangerously high tides threaten to surge upstream. A river dam and the reservoir it forms can harm the environment. Huge areas of countryside are drowned by the reservoir, and the dam disputes the river's natural flow, affecting wildlife and irrigation downstream. A dam also prevents fish from moving freely up and down the river. A barrage is a dam across the river estuary that generates hydroelectric power. The dam holds back the tide as it ebbs and flows. The water is forced through pipes inside the barrage, where it is driven electricity generators. A wire is a low river dam that controls the flow of water by creating a stretch of deeper water upstream. Deep water makes the river navigable for boats.